Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Mars Snake 2.1 dive knife. So this dive knife is made specifically for free diving. I wouldn't take this whilst scuba diving, it's really not what it's designed for. It's made for spearfishing. You've got a nice ergonomic handle, a long thin stiletto style blade with a serrated section and a spear release as well. It's got everything that you need for spearfishing, decent big size as well. Let's take a closer look. So this is how it arrives, a nice little cardboard box. You got Snake 2.1 on the front and some features about the knife: shaft release and rectifier, ergonomic handle, anti-corrosion anode in the butt of the knife. You've got the barcode on the back and just sort of information about how to get in contact with Mars and their social media channels. On the inside of the box, it's stuck pretty well in there. I think it's just the leg straps just holding it in place. If I give it a push, there we go. Yeah, there are leg straps. Okay, so empty box. And then you get two rubberized leg straps with traditional buckles on them, so you can sort of lash it onto a leg. A little piece of paper, the knife perfect for any type of dive. Mars recommends that you rinse the knife in fresh water, dry it and apply lubricant after every dive to prevent any traces of oxidation from forming on the surface, in a bunch of different languages. And then you get the knife itself in its sheath. So let's take a closer look. So the sheath is a plasticky material. You've got a bit of flex to it, but it's nice and flat. You've got the attachment points for the leg straps down at the bottom and then long ones up at the top, so you can weave it through there. This has quite a nice cradle system for the top of the knife and a traditional like sort of grab rubbery loop just to lock it in position. So to release the knife, just pull on that kind of hooks over the top, and then you kind of have to bend the knife away so it's not going to slip out by itself, and then give it a tug, and then that comes free. So that's the knife itself, a very stiletto blade, so long and thin. You've got a very pointed tip with a long straight cutting edge down one side and the serrated cutting edge down the other side. The shaft removal tool just down at the bottom, so you can use that to sort of twist and move. You've got a finger protector just to sort of have something to grab hold of. The ergonomic handle, so it's got a rubberized section up at the top to give you a little bit of grip, which is useful with wet hands, and a bit of sort of ergonomic for your fingers, something to grab hold of. And then down here we have that anodized section that's going to help reduce corrosion, but as always, make sure that you wash it. This is stainless steel. It doesn't actually say what type or grade of stainless steel that I can tell, but yeah, it is always good to, as the piece of paper suggests, to put some kind of lubricant, some kind of sort of silicone grease or film to protect that outer section to prevent it from rusting up. And that's the Mars Snake 2.1 dive knife. Yeah, made specifically for spearfishing, because there's no real need for something that thin and pointy while scuba diving. This is really for sort of dispatching fish, but yeah, as far as a sort of a comfort and practicality goes, yeah, it's got everything that you need for spearfishing. And the sheath as well is sort of well designed with that sort of safety cradle that helps to sort of pop it in so it's strong and secure, it's not going to fall out, and then you have that second security device really to sort of hold it in place, so it stays exactly where you want it to during the dive. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below so you can check it out and buy it from us at Simply Scuba. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.